Hello, this is a quick video to set up your NWEA test session. So go ahead and log into NWEA. It will pop up and this will be your home screen. You're going to come over here to the left and click Manage Test Sessions. When this pops up, you're going to click Test My Class. You're going to choose only one class to test and make sure you look at the names so that you know which test to assign. You'll click Test Now. This opens up the class just like you were testing on a normal day. So you're going to go Select Status, All, and you are going to assign a test. In this case, I'm going to go ELA, so Reading 6 Plus MO 2016. Okay, if you were testing Algebra 1, Algebra 2, or Geometry, just make sure that you're clicking the appropriate test that you're giving this class and click Assign. That should populate all of the tests right over here in the sides so that you can see students are assigned a test. This means they do not have to pick their own and chance choosing the wrong one. Let's say that you need to assign an accommodation to a student. Click the checkbox outside of the student's name and then click Assign Accommodations. Text-to-speech is the only accommodation that we use for NWEA. So you are going to scroll down and you want to pay attention to these headings. We do not want features for some students. We want to keep scrolling down until we have accommodations for students with documented needs. And we're going to scroll down to embedded accommodations, text-to-speech. You're going to click the text-to-speech box, and then you are going to come down and uncheck assets such as reading passages. This would be a great time to check with your case manager. There are a few exceptions where a student could be read a reading passage, but not many times would we leave that checked. That would be a decision between you and your case manager, and it must be in documentation for you to leave reading passages read to the student. After that, you're going to click Assign, and it's going to spin, and it's going to show up right over here. It will say yes in the accommodation spot. So you're going to do that for each student in your class that needs accommodations. And then you are going to end the session. And this is where you can change your testing name to something that your students can type in and spell correctly so that it's easy for you getting into the test. And then you'll press Save and Exit. That test session is going to appear down here at the bottom under Saved Sessions with the same name that you assigned to it. So you'll need to do like a math block 1 or your last name block 1, something so that you know which class is which. Then you're going to go through and do the same process for each of your blocks that will be taking NWEA. So on test day, you are going to sign into NWEA. You're going to go to Manage Test Sessions, and then you will come down here to Saved Test Sessions and find the course that you want to test. You will click Test Now, and that will let you get started with NWEA. As always, if you need any assistance, please reach out to any of us on the Instructional Technology Team, and we'd be happy to come help you get set up or ready to go with your test session. Thank you.